Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you Roblox not launching on Windows. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To resolve issues with Roblox, you need to first rule out any server-related problems by visiting status.roblox.com. If the status page shows a green, all systems operational message, the problem likely lies within your computer's configuration. Begin by restarting your computer to terminate any background applications or processes that might be interfering with the Roblox app. Once your computer is back on, try running Roblox as an administrator. Right-click the Roblox app and select Run as Administrator. If the app still doesn't launch, you should proceed with uninstalling it. Open the Windows menu, search for Add or Remove Programs, and select it. In the search box, find the Roblox app, click on the three little dots next to it, and choose Uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation to remove Roblox from your computer. Next, reinstall Roblox. Open an internet browser, search for Roblox Download, and select the option to download the Windows app. Once the download is complete, click on the Roblox Player installer to reinstall the app. This process often resolves most issues. However, if problems persist, there's an additional step that can help. Go to the Windows Start menu and search for Run. In the Run dialog box, type %appdata% and click OK. In the folder that opens, navigate back to App Data at the top, then enter the local folder. Locate the Roblox folder and open it. Inside, find the Versions folder and open the latest version available. Finally, scroll down to find and double-click the Roblox Player Launcher. These steps should help you troubleshoot and resolve most issues with running Roblox on your computer. So that's basically Roblox not launching on Windows. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.